Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook page. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook and click on your profile icon on the top right and click on the little arrow on the top right again. Then select your Facebook page. And once you're on here, click on your profile icon again on the top right. Then you should see a settings cog on the top, but if not, just scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Then you want to select settings and scroll down again until you see access and control. So you want to select that. Then it should give you the option for deactivation and deletion. So you want to click on that. So obviously you want to select deactivate page and select continue. And you can give a reason why if you want to do that. And select continue again. Then it'll give you a few other options as well. So obviously you can select the number of days as well. Then select continue. Then it'll ask about transferring your information. And then you want to select deactivate page. Again, I'll let you know the following page will be deactivated and you'll be switched to your normal profile. So you just want to click on that. And that has deactivated the page. Thanks for watching.